everybody, Sherea VeJauan here, and today we are going to make a smoothie called Air Day. It's called Air Day because this is what I make for my husband, Air Day. Using oat milk, banana, spinach, mango, hemp seed, flax seed, and chia seed. Right, so I always try to do 16 ounces of liquid. So we got 16 ounces of the oat milk, a full banana, and I put these ingredients in there in this order on purpose. I like how it blends better. It has almost like a malty flavor, and I like to put my, some people put their flax seeds at the top. I like to put mine at the bottom, again, because I like how it blends. And it blends it all the way through instead of having like chia seeds left over. So I use 1 tablespoon of each. Then I'm gonna put my spinach. Now, I find that when I put the greens at the bottom, the actual smoothie is greener as opposed to vice versa, putting the fruit first. I feel like it takes on the color better, that green. All right, maybe to close your ears a little bit. All right, so this makes a little over 64 ounces. All right, you guys, so this is called